Hello, my name is Jerrilyn Babst, and today we're going to be looking at the GED calculator. We're going to be looking how to use it to do percents. So if I'm going to be doing a problem with a percent and I wanted to know what 50% of 15 is, the way I could do that is I would do 50 to get 50, and then if you notice the green above my parenthesis button right here, looks like the percent sign. Since it's green, I have to use my secondary function, so I hit second, and then I hit this button, and I have now put 50% in my calculator, and I said 50% of 15. Of means to multiply, so I'm going to hit the times button. I'm going to put 15 in here, and when I hit enter, it's going to be 7.5. That is 50% of 15. So anytime you're dealing with percents, you can just put the percent in your calculator. You don't actually have to turn it into a decimal. You can just leave it as a percent, and your calculator will do that percentage for you. You can also turn a decimal into a percent. That is this green function right here. If you notice, it looks like arrow 2%. So let's say I wanted to turn a decimal to a percent. So let's maybe say I wanted to do 0.25 and I wanted to turn it into a percent. In order to do that, it is green, so I need my second button. I hit second. I'm going to hit this button, and I'm telling my calculator, take this and turn it into a percent. And I'm going to hit the enter button, and it has turned this decimal into a percent for me. And those are the 2% buttons that you will need for the GED test.